Tired of endlessly putting off your work? Ever feel like you've got the willpower of a goldfish when it comes to tough tasks? Yeah, I get it. You tell yourself you'll get it done, but the couch seems more inviting, or maybe you're scrolling through TikTok for the 20th time. Guess what? You're doing it all wrong, and yes, I'm about to tell you why you're a lazy idiot, but don't worry. I'm here to help you fix that. Stick with me through this video because I'm about to show you 6 game-changing tricks that'll shatter your procrastination and turn you into an unstoppable machine. Trust me, trick number 5 will mess with your brain in the best way possible. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can get things done when you trick yourself into it. Let's dive in and break the cycle, shall we? Trick number 1, the power of no-pressure prep. You know those mornings when you know you need to hit the gym, but your bed feels like a black hole, right? Instead of forcing yourself to jump straight in, let's play a trick on your brain. Get ready, but with no commitment. Instead of telling yourself you need to work out for an hour, tell yourself, I'll just get dressed. That's it, no pressure. Once you've got those workout clothes on, your brain can't help but think, I'm halfway there, might as well finish the job. And the next thing you know, you're working out, and your laziness is crushed. And hey, if you've got a mountain of laundry staring you down, same deal. Just grab the basket and leave it right in the middle of the room. It won't be long before that pile becomes a mountain you're conquering. Small steps, big results. Trick number 2. Break it down, you idiot. Big tasks can be overwhelming, right? Writing that 10-page report or studying for that massive exam, it feels like trying to climb Everest in flip-flops. But here's the deal. You don't need to climb Everest today. You need to take one step. Instead of thinking, I have to write 10 pages, think, I'll just open the document and write the introduction. Or if it's a book you want to read, start with just one chapter. That's it, one. Then watch how it all starts to fall into place. Your brain won't panic and suddenly you're making progress. Trick number 3, reward yourself like a king. Listen, no one likes doing boring tasks. Emails, dishes, laundry, they suck. But here's how you trick yourself into doing them. Combine them with something you actually enjoy. Got a pile of emails? Put your pet on your lap and snuggle while you type. Or maybe treat yourself to a chocolate bar once you finish those dishes. Turn boring tasks into mini rewards. It's like a game. You only get the prize if you win the task. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to win? Trick number 4, mental immersion, focus like a freak. Want to learn faster and focus like an absolute beast? Here's a secret. Mental immersion. You're probably wondering, what the heck is that? It's simple. By listening to specific brainwave-inducing audios, you can activate theta brainwaves. These waves send your brain into a turbo mode, boosting focus and accelerating learning. Your brain soaks up information like a sponge, and boom, you're smashing tasks left and right with zero effort. It sounds insane, but NASA uses this stuff, so why shouldn't you? Trick number 5. Kill your ego. Seriously, it's in your way. Here's the real reason you're procrastinating. Your fragile ego. That part of you that's terrified of failing, making mistakes, or looking like an idiot. Well, guess what? Perfectionism is making you weak. Stop treating every task like it's the end of the world. Imagine you're playing a game, not doing life or death surgery. Have a presentation? Don't freak out. View it as an opportunity to try out something new, to experiment. Screw the perfection. Embrace the mistakes. That's how you grow. So stop being a coward and start enjoying the process. Trick number 6, change the story you tell yourself. This is huge. If you're constantly telling yourself that you're lazy, that you'll never finish anything, guess what? You're right. Your brain is listening and it's taking notes. So here's the trick. Start telling yourself a different story. Instead of saying, I have to work out, say, I'm someone who works out. Instead of I never get anything done, say, I'm a doer and I get things done. So that sounds stupid, but trust me, it works. Your brain starts to believe it. And next thing you know, you're someone who gets things done. Now here's the deal. If you've watched this far and still haven't clicked that subscribe button, you've got to be kidding me. What are you waiting for? If you're serious about turning your laziness around and stepping up your game, hit that button. And let's get you ahead of 99% of people who'll just keep making excuses. If not, well, you're just proving my point that you're stuck in your lazy procrastination cycle. Time to level up. See you in the next video.